You're starting a business, and now you need a brand. You've got a vision, but hiring a designer is just a bit out of your budget. It'd be nice if you could design it yourself. Though, maybe not all by yourself. Looka. It's a smart AI-powered platform that helps you design your own brand from scratch. Sort of like magic. How does it work? Simple. Start by creating your logo. Choose your inspiration. Pick colors and symbols. And wait for your designs to appear. Easily change fonts, colors, layouts, and more. Done! Delivered in all of the formats you'll ever need. The best part? Don't pay until you're 100% happy with your results. With your new logo, use Looka to get business card designs, a social media kit, brand guidelines, and even a website. Looka's technology makes every design unique. Turn your vision into a brand that you and your customers will fall in love with. Looka.